Hi everyone, welcome back to FlowerNest. Today I show you how to make beautiful flower arrangement in just a few minutes. First, we cover and clean the stems. This makes our arrangement fresh and clean. Next, we cover the sponge. This makes our bouquet dry. Now the fun part, arranging the flowers. Start with biggest flowers first, and then add smaller ones. If you like this video, please like and subscribe FlowerNest for more ideas. Finally, we'll wrap the bouquet. You can wrap your bouquet any way you like. And there you have it, a simple and stunning flower arrangement. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.